Hi guys, Miss Craig here. Just wanted to let you know how you can enable Zoom filters and backgrounds for your student. Just a reminder that these are only allowed on Fun Friday because we want to be able to see the kids and their faces otherwise, but it does help kind of make Zoom a little bit more fun if the kids are feeling a little like zoomed out. So first you want to go to the website, which is zoom.us. And then once you get to the website, you're going to click where it says sign up. It's free. And then here is where you would enter your birthday. And then once you've put in your birthday here, it's going to ask for your email address. This is where you want to put in your child's school email address. So for most students, it is first name, last name at ebcacademy.com. So you would just enter their email address here and then you would click sign up. Then once you've done that, it will send you an email. So you will have to go into their email account. Once you go into their email account, you'll go ahead and see that they have an email from Zoom. If they've got a ton of emails like this person does, you'd want to go ahead and delete most of those or go through ahead and check them. But the one that is from Zoom is the one you're going to open. It'll look like this and it'll have an orange button that says activate account. You just click that button. And then once you've clicked that orange button, it's going to take you back to the Zoom website to sign in and finish setting up the account. So after you press that orange button, the page will look like this, and then you would type your child's first name. You would type their last name, and then you would need to create a password for them that you and they are going to remember. They could always use their school password if you wanted as well. You could always do that. So go ahead and put their first name, their last name, their school, or go ahead and put in a password. Type the password again to confirm it. You'd mark no here, and then you would click continue. Then it's going to ask you not to Zoom alone. You don't have to worry about that. You're just going to want to click skip this step. And then your account is all set up and you're almost ready to go. The next step to be able to have your child have filters is to go right here where it says resources. And then you want to download Zoom client. So you would go ahead and click there. And then it's going to ask you which one you want to do. You want to do the top one that says Zoom client for meetings. And you would click download. And then you'll see it will open up down here in the bottom. Once it's clicked down here, you would just want to click it. And then it would open up and start, it would start downloading. And then once it's all done, it usually opens up and go ahead and pops up here so that you can log into the Zoom. You would just want to type your child's email, type the password that you put for them, and then click keep me signed in. By keeping them signed in, you don't have to put these in every day. And then you just click the sign in button, and then that's it. The next time that they join a Zoom with their teachers, they will be able to have the Zoom filters, and I'll show you how to do that in Zoom right now. Okay, so once your child joins a Zoom meeting with their teacher, normally you'll see their teacher's face and then all the little faces of their little friends. Obviously, I'm in this Zoom alone, so it's just me. But the kids will want to make sure that they have their video on. So there's Miss Craig. And then right here, where there's this little caret above their start and stop video, this little triangle caret. They would click there, and then they'll have two options: choose video filter or choose virtual background. Filters is what the kids are really after. It's what they want. They want to look like animals and stuff. And then it gives them all sorts of different options of filters. So they can line the page with emojis, or they can, oh, sorry, my mouse is being a little funky. They can, have eyeballs, or they can um, have a loading, like they're videotaping. They can have words, or they can have none of these options. But the kids really like the ones at the bottom where they can like become a pirate, or wear a headband, or they're snoozing. So there's all different kinds of ones to use. Students can also load filters for the backgrounds as well. So, and then once they are done picking which one they want to have, you want to make sure that to tell them too that we can see their face. If we can't see their face, then we'll usually ask them to turn it off. I know for my students, I tell them they can't use this one because I can't see enough of them to really see if they're there. Most of the kids really want the ones with like the mask or the hats. These are the ones that they're after. But like I said, these are only allowed on Fun Friday. So normally their screen will be set to none. And then once they've picked which one they want, right up here is the X, and you just click that, and then it goes back to their regular Zoom. So they're all really, really fun and great way to kind of help the kids have a little more fun in the Zoom. And then they can also earn them as class rewards to be able to use them during regular class as well. So if you want to create an account and enable it for them, that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself, Miss Lara, Miss Graciano, or Miss Walyadeen. All right, have a great day.